Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to change the subtitle outline size in VLC Mobile. Subtitles improve your viewing experience, and adjusting their outline size can make them easier to read. Let's get started. Open the VLC app on your mobile device. Then look at the top left corner and tap the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, continue scrolling down. Tap on Subtitles. Ensure that the Subtitles outline feature is enabled. Then click on the Size option. Finally, choose between Small, Normal, or Big to adjust the subtitle outline size to your preference. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily adjust subtitle outlines in VLC Mobile for a better viewing experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.